The family home in Holsbeek, Belgium, is situated on a sloped terrain at the forest's edge, designed with respect for the natural environment. The building nestles among the trees, featuring a multi-angled volume that harmonizes with its surroundings. Large windows strategically positioned throughout the home offer abundant daylight and stunning views of the forest, ensuring a seamless connection between indoor and outdoor spaces while maintaining privacy. The ground floor accommodates the entrance, bedrooms, and bathroom, leveraging the cooler underground temperatures. These spaces remain bright and airy due to carefully positioned windows. The living areas, located on the second floor, maximize sunlight and panoramic views, with a covered terrace providing a tranquil spot overlooking the garden. Interior voids, including a central one housing a sculptural concrete staircase, enhance connectivity and create dynamic sightlines throughout the house. The F-DE is crafted from brownish brickwork, with large protruding windows and smaller, recessed ones to add depth and framed perspectives. Inside, the home features a harmonious blend of concrete and wood, with concrete used for floors, exposed beams, and the staircase, and wood for flooring in the sitting area and the kitchen design, emphasizing a balance of warmth and modernity.